Over 300 million scrap tires are discarded in the US and UK every single year, and a growing number of them end up under your feet. Scrap rubber is shredded, cleaned, and chemically reformed using vulcanization, the same 180-year-old process that made bulbs. This is not a fringe operation. Brands sourcing recycled tire soles are cutting raw material costs by up to 40%. In the next 8 minutes, I will walk you through the exact 6-stage process, from granule to finished sole. What was once a tire on a highway is now raw material destined for the soles of tomorrow's shoes. Scrap tires are gathered from thousands of collection points, a logistical web that feeds the hungry shredders. To save space and fuel, tires are often baled before cross-country transport efficiency at every step. Before entering production, granules undergo spectrometry to confirm zero heavy metals safety first. Stage 1, washing. Even pure granules carry road dust and microparticles. Nothing enters the next phase, uncleaned. After washing, high-speed air knives strip moisture. The goal: zero water contamination before mixing. A final cleanliness check, because even a single speck of grit could compromise the vulcanization bond. Stage 2, compounding. Recycled granule is blended with reinforcing fillers, vulcanizing agents, and crucially, a white pigment to create our bright sole color.
Watch the color transform, and the same recycled rubber that once was a black tire becomes the base of a snow-white sole.
The mixed compound is now a homogeneous rubber sheet, ready to be cut into preforms and the exact weight required for each sole mold. Cooling the preforms stabilizes them for accurate weighing and prevents premature vulcanization. Every preform is cut to within a gram of tolerance. Too little material and the sole will be weak, too much and the mold will not close.
Good.
Each preform is individually weighed, and statistical process control ensures every sole that leaves this factory performs identically. Stage 3, molding and vulcanization. This is where heat, pressure, and chemistry permanently reshape the rubber into a high-grip sole. Molds are preheated to 160 degrees Celsius to ensure instant rubber flow and perfect detail fill. The preform is sandwiched between 2 engraved mold halves. Under 160 degrees Celsius and tons of pressure, the rubber flows into every groove. Pressure holds at over 1500 psi, enough to force the compound into microscopic tread edges that deliver grip.
Cure time is calculated to the second. Undercure means weak rubber. Overcure means brittleness.
Vulcanization creates sulfur crosslinks between polymer chains and the same 180-year-old chemistry, making the rubber elastic, durable, and grippy.
Stage 4, demolding. After curing, the press opens and a brand new sole is born, hot but already tough.
Each sole is removed by hand, preserving every micro edge of the tread pattern that provides grip on wet and dry surfaces. Controlled cooling prevents warping. The sole's molecular structure stabilizes, locking in the grip pattern. A final buff removes any sharp parting line, ensuring comfort and aesthetic perfection. Excess flash is trimmed, and what is left is a sole with clean, precise perimeters, ready for attachment. Before any sole leaves, it is tested for grip on multiple surfaces, consistently outperforming virgin rubber compounds.
Abrasion resistance tested, because a sole that grips but wears out in weeks is no sole at all.
Flex fatigue testing ensures the sole will not crack under the millions of bends a foot makes over its life, the words building a bridge between engineering and empathy for the user. Stage 5, assembly. A 2-part adhesive bonds the recycled sole to the upper, creating a union stronger than stitching. Even in an automated line, human touch ensures no bubble, no gap, no imperfection. Stage 6 optical inspection 3D scanners compare every sole against the master design tolerances of 0.1 millimeters, the words underscoring the zero defect culture.
A hands-on flex test confirms what machines report, and this sole moves with the foot, not against it. Packaged and ready, but the story of this sole does not end in the factory. It begins again on the street. From scrapyard to store shelf, a supply chain that turns yesterday's waste into today's performance footwear. Consumers see a stylish sole, but you now know it is a monument to repurposed engineering. Every step in this shoe carries 180 years of vulcanization science and the weight of 300 million tires repurposed. On wet pavement, the high-grip recycled sole delivers confidence, and that is the ultimate test. From scrapyard to sidewalk, a sole born from waste, engineered to outperform. Even on broken ground, the recycled sole holds firm, proof that sustainable does not mean fragile. And when these soles eventually wear out, and they can be ground down and start the cycle all over again. Tomorrow the line starts again, turning more tires into soles and more waste into grip. And it all begins again with a scrap tire and a vision.
The high-grip recycled sole from scrapyard to sneaker store, engineered for the road ahead.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. First, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.